In today's vlog, we continue our exploration of the Great Smoky Mountains. We enter into Cades Cove, the most popular destination of the park, where over 2 million people visit annually. While Mama and the boys take a break in the car, Kayla and I venture through the beautiful valley and take an inside look at some historic structures. And little mister is taking a good little nap. It's well needed. Oh, so we're driving around and we see a sign for John Oliver Cabin. Forgive us, we don't know who John Oliver is, but it sounds familiar. I don't know who he is, but we're gonna go see his cabin. And it's just a quarter of a mile, so we figured we'll run see it real quick and run back, because this road over here closes when it gets dark. So we gotta hurry because we still want to see as much as we can see. Whew! After all the hikes today, I was already tired. How cool is this? There ain't nobody out here. John Oliver was a veteran of the War of 1812. Before he built the cabin, he had a different home where he nearly starved to death. He barely survived thanks to some friendly Cherokees who gave them some dried pumpkin. Wow, it's dark. Some cool things we learned about the John Oliver cabin while exploring it was that it was built between the years of 1822 and 1823. John Oliver died in 1864, and his wife and himself were both buried there at Cades Cove Primitive Baptist Church, which is just around the corner from his cabin. So there it was, that was John Oliver's cabin. Whew, now we race back to the car to go see more. We got a few hours, maybe an hour or two before sunset, hopefully. Let's see what's next. Now we're at one of the 3 historic churches here in Cades Cove. We are at the Methodist Church, which was constructed in 1902. This is pretty cool. Dearly beloved, we've gathered you here today to listen to me attempt to play some songs on the piano. If you know one of the songs, please let us know in the comment below. I wish I knew more church songs, but this is the only one. So there it is. Cool old church with a neighboring cemetery. Now we'll see what else we can find. Hey baby boys, you have a good nap? And that wraps up today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed exploring John Oliver's cabin and some of the churches in Cades Cove with us. If you did, please hit that like button below. If you have any questions or comments you'd like to ask, go ahead and leave us a comment down below. We'd love to chat with you. And if you want to keep up with our videos, please hit that subscribe button. It really means so much. And go ahead and hit that bell too, because in next week's vlog, we're going to be continuing our exploration of Cades Cove, where we see some wild animals and we visit Cable's Mill, which is filled with historic cabins and more.